Festive seasons have a way of softening judgment. Markets feel calmer, volatility fades, optimism quietly returns, and that's exactly when discipline is tested. History shows many costly mistakes aren't made during panic, but during low-quality rallies. Prices rise, but without real leadership or institutional conviction. Impatience rarely looks reckless. It shows up as chasing extended stocks, forcing trades, or fearing you'll miss out. But data is clear. Breakouts fail far more often in weak markets, and small impatience-driven losses quietly compound. Impatience is like planting seeds in winter. You may feel productive, but the environment is wrong. William O'Neill taught that patience is active, not passive. Proper bases reflect institutional behavior: tight price action, drying volume, and exhausted supply. Waiting improves risk-reward, reduces emotion, and aligns you with probability. Patience is also psychological capital. It preserves confidence, avoids overtrading, and keeps cash ready for high-probability opportunities. In professional investing, cash isn't laziness, it's preparation. MarketSmith India helps investors respect market conditions, spot proper bases, and wait for true leadership. So decisions are based on evidence, not impulse. This festive season, the market doesn't need more activity, it needs better timing. Because the most valuable gift an investor can give themselves is patience.